Proper implementation and effective monitoring of government infra projects are well within reach, with public participation and the latest digital technology program in the mix to streamline the work process, speed up completion, and eliminate acts and attempts at corruption. Hence, an interactive application or software using AI technology is in order, as our Kenneth Paciente reports.
In light of the issues surrounding the alleged anomalous flood control projects, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. himself emphasized that the government's reforms will continue to promote honesty, integrity, and accountability. Because of this, the President said that the government is now preparing the creation of a transparency portal that will provide the public access to information about government projects, including details of contractors, implementing agencies, as well as the location and status of each project.
Ibig sabihin, babantayan natin ng husto every step of the way. Bawat hakbang sa prosesong ito ay babantayan natin na mabuti para pag may nakita tayong hindi tama nagawa o against the rules and regulations ay makikita natin kaagad at hindi na natin pababayaan na makikita lang after 2-3 years, kagaya na nangyayari ngayon.
He added that systematic reforms will also be implemented, particularly in project design, bidding and contract awarding, and payment systems, all aimed at strengthening transparency, ensuring data security, and eliminating opportunities for corruption.
Upang matiyak naman na ang pondo na nilalabas natin para sa mga proyekto ay talagang tapos na. Dahil marami tayong nakita, completed, bayad na, hindi mo naman mahanap yung project, ghost project. O kung may makita kang man project, hindi kumpleto, substandard. Kaya patitibayin natin ang proseso para tiyakin natin na lahat ng kontrata ay ma-implement na mabuti.
He also pointed out the need to effectively utilize technology, particularly artificial intelligence, which he said would be crucial in improving project monitoring and identifying irregularities both in contract processes and physical implementation.
Meron tayong smart technology para tignan kung ano ba talaga ang standard, kung maganda ang pagkaayos. Ito tinitignan yung kung talagang linalagyan ng rebar, kung makapal talaga yung konkreto, yung semento sa tamang specification. Yung isa pa naman, yung isang smart technology na gagamitin natin, yung aking nabanggit, titingin sa proseso ng kontrata para pag may nakitang hindi tama, ay makikita natin kaagad. Maglilista yan, makikita natin, babalikan natin at imbestigahan natin bakit ganyan ang nangyari.
Despite these reforms, the President also underscored the important role of the public in exposing corruption. Since the launch of the Sumbong sa Pangulo website last August, the government has already received more than 20,000 reports from citizens.
Napakahalaga ng impormasyon na ibinibigay ng taong bayan sa ating pamahalaan na madaming impormasyon na hindi namin makukuha kung hindi sa inyong sumbong. Kaya ipagpatuloy po ninyo yung inyong pag-report sa amin kapag meron kayong nakita na dapat tignan, dapat imbestigahan, dapat pag-aralan.
The Sumbong sa Pangulo website is a government initiative that allows the public to directly report any irregularities they notice in projects within their communities. Kenneth Paciente from the National TV for a New and Better Philippines.